happy day, students. Today we started a new concept in grammar called modal verbs or modals. And here we go. Initially, we started our class by discussing what are the verbs, and you gave me a lot of verbs in the chat window. That was a really interesting part. And this modal verbs or modal auxiliaries are the additional words which are coming with the main verb to give some emotional expression to the language. Okay, and we saw some 8 modal verbs, that is modals, and their uses today. Can, this word is used to show your ability. Okay, to show what you can do. For example, he can run fast, says his ability. Could, it is also used for ability with little uncertainty. When you are just not confident, very confident with the work what you can do, you shall use this could. Okay, so he could climb the tree, but we are not sure that 100% sure that he could climb the tree. May, to ask for a polite request, to ask for permission, or to say something in a doubtful manner. For instance, for a polite request, may I come in? This is for polite request. So this is also, may I take your book? This is a permission. Okay. So, and as a doubt, it may rain. So it can rain or it may not rain. In a doubt, we are telling some concept, right? It may rain. Might. This is also used for a doubt, but when you are having a lot of possibility to happen. For example, if the sky is too dark and it is about to rain, you can say this word, it might rain. You are near to 100%. That is 90% sure that something will happen. But if you are only 50% sure, you can use may. So it is based on the possibility. Shall. Shall is used for the first person. That is I shall, you shall. Okay. All these are the first person in the grammar. And which to represent the future things, futurity. For saying some determination that you are having the willpower to do that. I shall get good marks when I read properly or when I learn properly. I shall, some determination. Should is for obligation and advice. Obligation means you have to follow that particular rule. You are under to compulsion to follow something. So you should stay in your home during this pandemic. So this is a compulsion. Advice is giving some piece of advice to your friends or family. You can use the should. For example, you should take a private cab to reach faster. So you should, it is a kind of advice to make your work better. Should is used for 2 cases like obligation and advice, right? Next is will. Will is similar to shall, but here will is used for the second and third person. Say, for example, he will watch a movie, she will watch a movie, it will rain. So these are the future things which will happen, and it is used for he, she, it, they, all these are the second and third persons. You. And would. Last thing is would is used for variety of uses like promise, polite request, determination, hope and habitual actions. Promise is I would give you my book if yours is lost. It's giving a type of promise or hope to other person. So polite request is would you please lend me your pen? Asking for a request, which is similar to this may. And habitual action is your day-to-day basis, like I would get up and I would brush my teeth on regular basis. So these are some of the verbs which you use for your regular routine work. And asking for saying something with the determination, I would score good marks. So with the determination, you can use this word. So it is a basic fundamental concept of modal verbs which we learned today. It includes like 8 modal verbs: can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would. And we followed with the book exercises and with the 10 questions in the book. Please do complete that, as I have given you a time in class, and we will follow up with the workbook exercises on the same concept. And tomorrow will be a quiz on this models. Get ready for that, guys. Until then, it's bye from me with a great and great week ahead. You can proceed your learning days. Thank you, guys. Bye.